Hi, I'm TV producer Cliff and welcome to another real world product review. A real world review, except we're not doing a product again. I'm outside at a location. I'm at Regal Auto Care, a garage in Old Cos. Why am I here? Because of my philosophy. They're working hard in there. My philosophy says if a product is really good, I should tell you about it. And, if it's a great product and things. Same goes with a garage. Garages scare people. A lot of people are very worried that a garage is going to rip them off. They're going to charge more than they say and blah 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 and all that sort of thing. And that's very true. There are so many bad workshops around the world that will rip you off. These people don't. I like these people. I've found them. They are absolutely brilliant. Ajay, the owner, is British. He's from England. He started this garage to help expats get work done for prices that weren't stupid, so they didn't get ripped off by other garages. And he's continued that in all the years this has been open. He is very honest. So I am reviewing Regal Auto Care today because it's a good product, it's a good service. They are very, very good. So let's go and have a look at what they do and meet Ajay. One of the first things that strikes you is how incredibly clean the place is and how all of his staff are wearing smart, clean uniforms. And no, he didn't clean up for me. This is how it is all the time. You could eat your dinner off that floor, if that's what you're into. So I asked the man who supports Liverpool how on earth he got into the garage business.
It started when I was about 11 years old. Other kids used to play football and my father took me to the workshop, and he used to run a car repair shop. So there was a Mini in the corner, a white Mini, I'll never forget. And I kept looking at it and my father said, I'm going to show you how to weld and cut floors out. So obviously a bit nervous with a grinder at 11. Started cutting the floor out, started to learn how to MIG weld, and I got this buzz for it and loved it because it gave me like a flow of adrenaline. And then after that I just loved working on cars. That was it. Never looked back.
As I said in the introduction, many people think garages will rip them off, and Ajay will be the first person to agree with that. And that's why he fights really hard to be known as the garage that won't rip you off.
Reason is just honesty. At the end of the day, I see people getting ripped off. I've seen them come in the workshop where they've had a new alternator put on and you look at it and it's been sprayed silver. We don't want to be that workshop. We want to be a workshop that they can come with confidence, have their cars done, see the old parts, take them away if they want, and some sort of guarantee and warranty with the workmanship as well. So we want to be different from what anybody's offering in Dubai.
Ajay has some great testimonials and is rightly proud that so many of his customers keep recommending him, and it's easy to see why. Ajay's guys really seem to know what they're doing and they're very enthusiastic about what they do, whether it's a Range Rover, a Ferrari or a little Nissan Tiida, they treat it exactly the same. When I came to see Ajay, he was in the middle of one of his favourite jobs that Regal Auto Care tend to specialise in. An immaculate full nut and bolt restoration of this classic 1964 MGB Roadster.
I had a guy approach me and he's seen one of our cars before, what we've done for the local Sultan, and he says, I have an MG that I brought from California, it's coming in soon. So he brought the car, and then I went round the car and I saw sort of bits of filler in it. So he said, right, I'll have the paintwork taken down to metal and then we'll go from there. And it didn't stop. We basically just kept going, and then he wanted a full restoration with new nuts and bolts, brand new engine, brand new gearbox, complete brand new exhaust system, new carbs, and it just started, and it's just how we carried on now, and I love it, and the guys love working on it.
It's easy to see that Ajay's guys really enjoy working on the MGB. Many years ago, when I collected classic cars, I had this exact same car, so I know how extremely difficult it is to restore the original car to as new condition. Luckily, while I was there, Quentin, the owner of the MG, came to see how things were going. I asked him what he thought.
but they're doing a great job. You know, they're like really passionate about the car. It's I know it's becoming famous around, and now they're really happy working on it and getting everything as perfect as it can be. I want it brand new, as if out of the factory, even slightly better to withstand the sun and heat of Dubai. And then, you know, when you get into details, you want everything to be perfect. So yeah, it's brand new, even better than new. The odometer is back to 000, which is going to be quite exciting when I put the first mile on.
Guys, that's it for today's real world review, coming to you from Regal Auto Care garage here in wonderful Dubai in our cars. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please press subscribe and like and share the video around. It's been great doing this. It's getting really hot here. It's summer is almost upon us, and it's getting really hot, so I'm going inside to cool off. Please do keep watching. We have more reviews coming up of wonderful products. Remember my philosophy: if it's really good, it's not necessarily the most expensive, but it's the best. And these guys are really, really, really good. So there you go. Keep watching. Have fun. Bye.